In last video, we talked about some simple strategies for successful weight loss. Now we are going to talk about fitting weight loss into your work week. Losing weight can be difficult if you hold a full or part-time job. Finding the time to exercise, as well as to eat properly, can be stressful. For working weight loss success, you must make time for yourself as much of a priority as possible. Use these tips to fit weight loss into your busy work week. Schedule time for exercise, make an appointment in your calendar, and stick to it. You're meeting with your most important client, after all, yourself. If you struggle with being consistent, make an appointment at the gym with a trainer, or work out with a friend. This gives you a real deadline, and helps you to stick to your goal. Plan your meals. Take time once a week to plan your meals and snacks. Choose snacks that are both healthy and easy to pack. Pack your lunch instead of eating out for better control of your calorie intake. Fast food calories add up quickly, so if you must eat out, choose a salad or grilled sandwich. Cook ahead. Make time once a week, or even once a month, to cook large batches of food in advance. Brown ground turkey, chop lettuce and veggies for salads and snacks, grilled chicken breast. Any preparation that you can do ahead of time will save you hours in the kitchen later in the week. Exercise at work. Many companies are beginning to offer fitness clubs on campus as an employee perk. If yours does, be sure to take advantage. If you're not so lucky, take time to walk on your lunch break. Getting up and moving around will also help you to avoid that afternoon slump. Use an exercise video for backup. We all have those super stressful days where there's simply no time to squeeze in a trip to the gym. Keep an exercise tape or two that you enjoy at home. Even one as simple as Leslie Sanson's Walk Away the Pounds, which is only around 15 minutes, will do. This will allow you to squeeze in your exercise before or after work, without setting foot outside your door. Fitting weight loss into your work week can be accomplished with a bit of prior planning. Take the time to plan ways to reach your fitness goals this week. You'll find that you're more productive and feel better, because you're doing something for yourself. After all, you will still be living in your body long after retirement, so make sure it's a healthy one. Speed up fat loss in your midsection. Did you know that the size of a person's stomach is an indicator of their overall health? Even people who are thin everywhere else and have a pot belly look unhealthy and may have underlying conditions that make them feel unhealthy too. There's good news and bad news when it comes to belly fat loss. The good news is it's achievable. No matter how big your belly is and how long you've been overweight, you can lose that belly fat and get into much better shape. The bad news is that there's really no secret or trick to doing it. You've been hearing the right way of losing abdominal fat for years. Maybe you've tried different things, like different diets and exercise plans, and the results weren't fast enough for you, or you just didn't stick with the plan. The bad news is you were probably on the right track and gave up. Any healthy eating plan combined with an exercise program can help you lose that abdominal fat. It might not be exciting or pretty, but it's there for you to try. The hardest part is finding a plan that works for you as an individual. The diet that works for your neighbor and the people you work with might not work for you. Everybody's different. If one plan worked for everyone, there wouldn't so many different diets that so many different people can lose weight with. There'd be one plan for everybody, and it would work without fail if you stick to it. But instead there are low carb and low fat and low calorie, and diets that focus on vegetables. There are hundreds of different diets out there. This time, don't go on a diet. Decide to simply eat healthier and take in fewer calories than you have been. This will step up your fat loss, and soon you'll have far less abdominal fat. This alone can help you lose abdominal fat, just as it can help you lose fat everywhere. If you take in fewer calories than you burn, you lose fat, period. But if you're simply shaped differently and you have a larger belly, it might appear this is the last place you lose that fat. Do exercises that target that area to slim it down and make it look like you've had a great amount of abdominal fat losses. Strength training exercises that focus on the thigh muscles will help you burn fat faster everywhere. That's because these are your largest muscle groups, and making them work more efficiently increases your metabolism. Also, focus on the abdominal area with some crunches, and maybe exercises like yoga and Pilates. These types of exercises will tighten those muscles and make your entire belly area smaller. Start small so you don't hurt yourself, and then build up. Doing all these things can help you achieve your abdominal fat loss goals faster than ever before, and soon you'll have a nice tight stomach with all the fat melting away. Make sure you look for your next video soon. We will be talking about slimming down the smart way.